Hi everyone, welcome back to Melo's channel.
Today we do have here the Naruto Tier 2 Wave 7, the latest 2U1 card box for Naruto. Here are the rarities that you could get inside this box. And yes, here is the artwork for the art pack of this card box. The same with the box itself. It is beaten up box, but the box looks good. So hopefully the cards are okay as well. And let's see our first two packs. And here's the backside of these cards. Here we have a rare of Naruto, a rare, and we have the SR of Boruto. The SR actually nicer in real life than in videos. And here we have a rare of Naruto, and the rare cards are actually the lowest rarity for this set. And also, the rare cards are from the anime scenes like the Naruto tier for wave 6. And here we have another rare card. And we have a rare of Gaara and Sasuke. And let's move on to our third pack. And here we have a rare of Sasuke, a rare of Naruto, and we have the SSR of Naruto. This is really nice. And I think some of the SSR are connecting cards, if not a few of them. I think all of them have a connecting card. I'm not 100% sure, but the SSR are sure nice. Here we do have a rare of Team 8 and for our fourth pack. And for some reason, these packs for the Naruto Tier 2 Wave 7 are easy to rip off. And I did try the card trick this time around. Hopefully, I do not forget to do the card trick later on. And here we have Sasuke and Naruto. We have Gaara and Sasuke. And we do have the SSR of Sasuke. Really nice looking SSR. I can't wait to complete at least the SSR rarity level, since it would be hard to get all the CR cards and MR and SP as well. They are not guaranteed. Like the guaranteed hit on this tier 2 wave 7 of Naruto is only the UR card, which I believe there are two UR cards per box. Then about 7 to 8 hits per box. And here we have Naruto and Konohamaru. And we have the SR of Mitsuki. And of course, these rare cards, even the rare cards, have a foiling on them and texture. I mean, just foiling on them. Unlike the first wave of the Naruto tier, the tier 1 of Kaio Naruto, it's just plain rare, but these rare cards are already really, really nice. And here we have an SR of Kakashi. And here's the next one. We do have to do the card trick. And here we have Naruto. And we have Sabusa and Haku, Kakashi and Sasuke. We have Naruto and Sasuke, and we have the SR of Konohamaru. And for the rare cards and the SR cards, I think you would be able to complete it for about 3 to 4 bucks. But hopefully, I could complete it on 3 boxes. And here we have a rare of Sasuke, another rare, and we have a rare of Itachi, and we have the SR of Udon. And on the side on these cards, if you Google translate it, like especially the rare cards, it would be the name of the scenes from the anime. And here we have Kakashi, we have Sakura, we have Inari, we have Team 10, and we do have the SSR. This one's so fun. And I think the connecting card for this one would be Kakashi Sensei. And of course, I do have to sleeve this Naruto SSR. And I'm just very happy with this card. And for the next pack, we do have the rare of Haku and Sabusa. We have Naruto. We have a rare card. And we do have a rare of third Hokage Naruto and the UR of Boruto. Actually, the UR are very nice looking to me. It reminds me of the ZR cards. And also, it's has this very texture, different kind of texture when you see it on person. And here, the next pack. And we have a rare of Konohamaru. We have a rare of Team 7. And we have the SR of Might Guy. And we have the rare of Naruto. We have a rare of Sasuke. And last 4 packs. And this box, I did open 15 packs first. Then I'll open the other 15 packs later on. And here we have Naruto. This rare card is really nice. And we have another rare of Naruto. And we have the SR of Sabusa. And for the next pack, we do have a rare card of Gaara and Sasuke, Sabusa and Haku, and we have the rare of Naruto, Naruto and Sasuke, and we do have the SR, Moegi, and for the next pack, the doing the card trick is really fun as well. And here we have a rare of Naruto and we have a rare of Team 7. We have Sasuke and Kakashi. We have Sasuke and Naruto. We have the SR of Naruto. And this one is a really nice SR as well. And here is our next pack. Like before, I did enjoy like using my scissors to open these card packs, but for this set, like I'm enjoying actually opening, ripping them up. And here we have a Sasuke and Kakashi, and we have a rare, and we have a rare of Naruto, Sasuke, and we have the SR of Sasuke. And here's the summary of what we pulled so far. Here are all the rare cards that we have pulled, and this is how thick it is. And I won't be really showing the rare cards. I'll focus on the SR and above rarity hits. And here we have the SR of Udon. We have the SR of Konohamaru, Might Guy, Sabusa, Muegi, Mitsuki, Boruto, Naruto, Kakashi, Sasuke, Naruto, and we are on the SSR of Sasuke. We have Naruto, and we have the UR of Boruto. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.